Gotta get rich quick, scheme hit me, time just melts away so swiftly. I think we're on to something, we're definitely on to something. Let's keep it on and pumping, yep, cause we're on to something. Prodigies turn proteges, just follow me but not home today. When talking, stalking the dough for days and often walking the ocean waves. Cause I think we're on to something, I think we're on to something. Yep, we're on to something, we're on to something. The end is approaching, 2012 they chosen. How many spins before layman's realize their record's broken? I think we're on to something, I think we're on to something. Yep, we're on to something, I think we're on to something. What a motherfucker thinks we got a product. I think we're on to something. Yep, we're on to something. We're on to something. Yep, cause we're on to something. Once I realized that nothing's like it's advertised, I ate my food without the dye and made my music amplify. Because I think we're on to something. I think we're on to something. Yeah, we're on to something. I think we're on to something.
The strangest, straight deranged this. Strong J, Midwest side, Bombay. 3DQ Sound Lab. Let's get it on. Rap's new phenomenon. Hit 'em up with the flippers and rupture your dome. Me calm down. Never you say me song sound like but you say I'm washed up, nigga. What? This is when I kick it with this rhythmic syphilis. Them 9 rhymes make them go blind every time on that cannabis. And it is not for the mini mind, but the mind of a gauge. High on stage, cause minimum wage have me in a maximum rage. Page match, the scrap, but I so wrapped up rap. See me come tight like a pig in a bikini, please. All them C's, know I bees on my Q's and P's. Even run DMC's, I'm a deadly disease. High voltage, just take a look at the psychosis. The range I claim, the mange plain, atrocious. Flows be constant, I rock from here to Wisconsin. My killer flows make me jerk my Johnson. All day, all night. Like this. What's up?
so damn psycho.
Couldn't tell you, baby. Making Bella, baby. Flipping hella, baby. Ask your nearest fortune teller, baby. Mushroom headed keeps me prophetic, but the slow motion makes me life like a movie. The Bombay brother with a ganja stick, it'll get you stuck if you let it come me. But no comment around Dante. Just call me the strange or strange Bombay. Distinguishing the hop from ish from hip hop. Come this apocalypse got control of your hips. Hey, it's venomous, hell a rap metamorphosis. MC corpses is around me, they found me jacuzzing with my sorceresses. Fire up the Vega, get blown and roll to a spot with yams, then bust holes in they O's. So different, they wanna kill me like they killed Bruce Lee. What? On the set, no shit. Saw my junk with that gets. Midwest flex flows, likes true sex those. Little West flesh holes, insane brain frames, never that plain Jane. Psychotic all day. What's up? Couldn't tell you, baby. Flipping hella, baby. Making Rella, baby. Ask your nearest fortune teller, baby. I can give myself a C-section with a rusty jacket weapon. Bungee with 100 feet of slack in front of my kids with no discretion. Strange days like Juliette Lewis and Angela Bassett off in the casket, tripping with a 9. Get your mind blown like a head gasket. Misery's in the house for the 99 shot. Futuristic ladies love me a whole lot. When demons try to do me Jew, they know they wicked, so I bust them if you ain't down with 3DQ. Who be you? Nina Tech, respect, Midwest style for life. Grab a mic and hurt you like a La Bianca murder. The sound lab got my microchip screw. Malfunction-ish. Oh yeah, but now I'm cool. Pain givers, slang spitters, hang niggas, insane figures, no shame, aim triggers, lame brain splitters, vein slitters, game critters, dame hitters, Wayne livers, narcotical strange nigga. Can you understand? Do you understand? Psychotic. That house is light effect like this. Take a Nina. What's up? Why you so damn psycho? I couldn't tell you, baby. I'm making Rella, baby. I'm flipping hella, baby. Ask your nearest fortune teller, baby.
Why you so damn psycho?
Couldn't tell you, baby. Making hella, baby. Flipping hella, baby. Ask your nearest fortune teller, baby. Strange music, baby. Cognito, Chris Calico, Techno. Yeah.
We roll, we ride, we roll. 'Cause I was born in the line. We roll, we ride, we roll. 'Cause I was born in the line.
See, I was born to take off, and in no way that you could stop it. Yes, I was a passenger, now I'm in the cockpit. Rock pits where I started it, snake and bats where I'll end it. Living ghetto fabulous, ain't got it, but I spend it, and I'm fly like an eagle.
Watch me fly around the new guy in town, and I never let them tie me down. You need binoculars to eye me now. The new pilot, watch how high I get when I pole boat and quote how high I sit. Like gunja, high above came from under. Then so fly, now angels are under. The beast wanna get control of me. Spread my wings to fly high when I'm too low to see. High like a member of Joe to see. A high like Michael Jackson with Joe to see. Get way up in the solar system. Flow too slow, you missed them. Fly way above eye level. Fly too high for the devil.
We roll, we ride, we roll. 'Cause I was born in the line. We roll, we ride, we roll. 'Cause I was born in the line. 'Cause I was born in the line.
Never mind that I'm a genius. I never could know that I would take it to a level the celebrities go. Now that I made it and separated, they hated, debated on what the hell I'm gonna do when I make it to the show. Jump in the crowd with the Marshes, they know where the boss is. I'm cutting my losses, whatever whatever the cost is. I'm never looking back, I never wanna be the one that said I should've made it, so I signed with the king of darkness. I'm claiming strange, baby, I'm from the hood. And I would never trade it in for nothing, never take it back, and even if I could, to live a life of rock and roll, every night on the road, and every night another city, and it never gets old. Never too eager to be with her, she a diva, believing the COG, cut school, Cali legend, taking need to be the ultimate level of satisfaction, everlasting, call them industry assassins. So what you asking, see when they hate you with a passion, that's when I cash and laughing all the way to the bank with the money that I make. Take a little trip into the world, it's strange with us. We got everything you need, me to angel dust. Come and take a couple of these pills to make you lust.
Cause I was born in the line. We roll, we rock, we roll. Cause I was born in the line. We roll, we rock, we roll. Cause I was born in the line. Cause I was born in the line.
11, 8, 71 is when everything was to come and I got on my feet. I'm gonna be one of the dummies. Get money, get talk if I gonna be who charge ya, who got ya. No one ahead of me, you better just let it be. Better coach, better stands opposed by for letting me. If you ever be ready to sever me, never be you. Car, move, car. I got every